Happy Vlogmas Day 5 and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So it's already Vlogmas Day 5 and I am going to head out. It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I need to return something at Old Navy and pick something up because I did some more shopping last night. I bought more gifts, so I'm gonna go do that. I got dressed real quick, so I just have a top on and leggings, and I'm just gonna put on some sneakers. I have a messy bun with a bow. I was too lazy to do my hair, so this is my going out outfit. I'm going to fix my bed, fix my bag, and then we can head out the door and go back to the Beverly Connection today. Back home, so I'm gonna make dinner with you now. I have all my ingredients. I'm gonna cook rice, and then I'm gonna make this chicken and corn recipe that I discovered. It's basically just butter chicken with corn, and you just stir it up and then put some seasoning, and that's it. And then I put it on top of my rice. So that's what we're gonna have for dinner. Here's the chicken that I bought earlier, and then a can of corn, and in here is my rice. Here is the rice I cut. It's just the organic Thai jasmine from Whole Foods. I put it in this cup, and then I put it in my cute pink rice cooker. So I'm going to make some rice now in. I'm just gonna whip some carrots. I put salt, pepper, and garlic salt on it. So now I'm gonna put it in the oven. I set the oven for 425, and I'm just going to pop it in. First I put butter and melt it. Then I add some chicken in it, a decent amount. Okay, and then I stir it up. And I'm gonna add these onions, but I'm holding two things so I can't show it. The onions in, so now I'm gonna stir that up. Then I'm gonna put some corn in. Then stir it up. I put some salt and pepper, and now I'm just gonna put Parmesan because I put it last time and it makes it thicker and creamier. So I'm gonna put a little of that. I'm gonna put the lid on so it can boil and cook good. I'm going to flip these over and put it back in the oven. Rice is done, and that is what it turned out to be. It looks so good. And here is the finished dinner. I made a chicken and corn rice bowl. I put cheese on top, and then I kind of burnt the roasted carrots. So I have a glass of water, and yeah, This is my dinner for the evening. I'm done with dinner now. I washed the dishes and I also put away the leftovers. So yeah, that is a cook with me. I've been really enjoying them. I'm not the best cook in the world. I usually cook for my parents. When my parents weren't here, I usually Postmated or Uber Eats, had delivered here a lot. But since they're here, I've been cooking a lot more because there's a lot more people instead of just me, and then I would be too lazy to eat or cook or anything, so I just could deliver. If you want to see like a what I ate in a day video, not the most healthiest or the most glamorous things, like I just eat normal food. Sometimes I only eat twice a day, like it depends. But if you want to see a what I ate video, I'd love to do one in one of these Vlogmas videos when I run out of ideas, because I still have 19 more days to go, I think, since it is 20 days. Today is the 5th, so I have 20 more days of video ideas that I need to put up. So far I'm doing good, but knowing me, I'm gonna get stuck here one of these days. So after dinner, I created my thumbnail for tomorrow's video, and I also created a thumbnail for this. So now I'm going to go do a voiceover on the video that's hopefully gonna go up before this Vlogmas video. So I'm going to work on this. It's my Christmas tree decorate with me video, so hopefully I'll get that finished. I just need to add the voiceover and then I'll be good to go with this video before this video goes live. So I'm going to do that and I'll catch up with you again later. So I finished editing and I'm exporting it now. You can kind of hear my laptop. It's kind of going. It has a hard time because it's such an old laptop now. But I forgot to show you what I got today and why I went out. So when I was linking the products for yesterday's vlog, I saw that the Christmas present that I was buying my mom was on sale. So I paid full price for it yesterday. I paid $19.99. So I went online and it was only $10. I'm like, how come it's that cheap? And then I got another discount on it, so it was only $7. So I ended up paying $8. I ordered it and then picked it up again in store, and that's how I got it for that cheap of a price. So I paid $8 and got refunded $21, but I did do a little bit of shopping. So remember these pants that I bought, the thermal leggings with the candy canes? Well, I saw that the top was on sale for $6, so I ended up buying it. So I got another bag and oopsies, here it is. I got the matching top. So here's the matching top. It's just candy canes. I got an extra large and it might be too big, but who cares? I don't mind. I can have an oversized fit for sleeping. So watch me wear this pretty soon. I'm gonna shoot it in front of my Christmas tree. I have a blog post already for it. Like, I know what blog post I'm gonna do with the pajamas. And then I'm going to do then I'm also going to decorate the rest of my living room with these on. So stay tuned for that. So I'm just going to finish up my video now and then I'll be back with you. So since my laptop is running so slow and Premiere is lagging on me, I use Adobe Premiere. I have the subscription to it. It is lagging so bad. I don't know if it's my laptop or it's like an update to it. So I'm going to uninstall and reinstall Premiere. So if you don't see any more Vlogmas videos or any kind of videos from me, then it's because I broke my Premiere and have no editing software. But cross your fingers it doesn't. It goes smoothly, and I'm so scared to do this because I shouldn't do this in the middle of Vlogmas, but it's just so laggy and I cannot edit. It just drives me crazy. So I'm not editing this video yet. I just saved the footage. If anything happens, whoops. I'm finishing up the decorate with me video, or the decorate my Christmas tree video, and then once that's uploaded, I'm gonna do all this. So yeah, thought I would update you on that and wish me luck that I don't break my Premiere, because I've been enjoying like sitting here and editing videos again. I was in a slum for a while that I didn't really want to edit, but I'm really on an editing kick at the moment. So hopefully everything goes well and I can update you and say that my laptop is fine and Premiere is fine, because everything's gonna be fine. Let's put it out in the universe that it's not gonna break and it's going to be perfectly fine and work even better than before, right? Stay positive. Okay, let me go try and start this whole process. It's advent calendar time and we're on day 5. So we have it. So we have it right here. So open it. I lost my nails, so I have to open it with my left hand today. There it goes. Oh, mine fell out.
Yeah.
I have no idea what mine is.
Here.
I think it's a Christmas sack with toys in it.
Okay.
Okay.
If you got a nail, I can't get underneath it.
There you go.
Very good.
And my candy fell out. I have no idea. It looks like a Santa sack with toys sticking out of it.
Oh,
That's what it looks like.
Oh, it looked like a cat or something. Who knows?
No, it's. I think it is. Whatever. Yay, day 5 chocolate. So that was day 5's advent calendar. See you again tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed Vlogmas day 5, and I think that is it for the video. I'm not gonna do much. I'm just gonna sit and post my blog posts, and I think that is it. So please leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone.